Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shrishti and today's video is going to be about how to know what is your face shape and which haircut or hairstyle will suit according to your face shape. So there are generally 6 types of face shapes worldwide, that is oval, round, square, diamond, heart and oblong. But we all are humans and we are not all same, so it is very possible that you lie under one or more than one category. So now the question arises, how can we identify what kind of face shape do I have? So through my research, I can tell, to identify your face shape, just stand in front of mirror and look carefully and observe. Face shape is broken down into 3 main parts: the size of the forehead, the cheek area, the chin and jawline area, and overall length of your face. First face shape we're gonna talk about is oval, and the oval face shape is universally considered to be very feminine and aesthetically pleasing to human eye. And why, I don't know, this is what research shows. So now, how to identify if you have an oval face shape? An oval face shape is longer than it is wide. No harsh jawline or like cheekbones, no angular features as such. The whole face is particularly smoothened out. And now if we talk about hairstyles or haircuts, so any hairstyle or haircut will suit an oval face because it doesn't have to do anything, so long or short hair, long or short bob, bangs or no bangs, anything will suit an oval face shape. So the next face shape we're going to be talking about is round faces. So round faces tend to have a circular appearance, and have no major angles or edges as such. Face is pretty symmetrical in length and width. Celebrity examples would be Selena Gomez and Sonakshi Sinha. So now with the hairstyles or haircuts, the key is to make the face look long and leaner. Anything that would cut off the round appearance of the face, go for like center middle cutting and then pieces falling into your face. That will make your face look slimmer and leaner. Layers or anything with the volume at the top, that would make them look long and leaner, more towards an oval face shape. So the next face shape is a square face. They are pretty much like round face, but they have a very strong jawline, and the jawline is their key feature. Their forehead, cheekbones and chin area will be of the same width. Like take the example of Hailey Bieber or Kareena Kapoor. They both have very strong jawlines, very angled jawlines, and their face tend to look very square. Now for the hairstyles, opt for like shoulder length long bobs. Since the face is very angular, opt for softer haircuts or bangs or side swept bangs. Will make you look very cute. So the next face shape is a diamond face shape, and they tend to be rarest. Have a very narrow forehead and very narrow chin area. Cheekbones are their prominent features and the widest part. That gives them a very diamond face shape. Example of a diamond face shape would be Anushka Sharma, and the hairstyle that suit this category would be long hairs that would balance out the fine angular edges of the face, making it. The next face shape is an oblong or a rectangle face shape. It is a hybrid of long plus square face shape. The face is overall very long and have angular edges. A celebrity example would be Dakota Johnson or Kim Kardashian. Hairstyle or haircut that would suit this type of face shape would be layers and layers. Lot of layers. Layers would make the face appear more wider because it is long, so you have to balance out hair more wider and soft. And also you can go for bangs, as bangs will balance out the length of the face because your face is already very long. The next face shape is the heart face shape. I was researching about this face shape and I got to know that this face shape is the most visually attractive face shape of all. If you have a heart face shape, your forehead is the widest part and then it is getting slender towards the chin, finishing to a point. The heart and the round face are somewhat similar, but heart face shapes have a wider forehead than the chin area, and rounds have same length of forehead, cheek area and the chin area, which gives them a perfect round. But hearts have a a slender jawline finishing to a point, which rounds don't have. Maybe. You can tell by looking at my face structure, I have dominantly a hard face, I have a wider forehead, and then it is getting slender to a point on the chin. I have jawline. It took me fair amount of time to figure it out that I have a hard face shape rather than a round, because I always thought it to be a round. The celebrity examples would be Deepika Padukone, or Alia Bhatt, or Lily Collins. Hairstyles that would suit this category would be long bob, hairs to the shoulder length, or if you want to go with the long hairs, you can have long hairs with the bangs. Anything that would accentuate your chin and jaw area, that would look good. This is all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe, and comment down below which you think is your face shape. Bye!